Hello, what's up, travelers? Welcome back to my channel. This is Joe here from Trip to Joe, and guys, I'm here in Doha. This is my second day today here, and today I'm going to do something very special. I'm going to try the new metro, Doha new metro, which is absolutely beautiful. I was looking on the internet, I did the research, and apparently it's one of the best one in the world. So let's go, let's try. And the ticket's very cheaper. Day pass cost me like six real Qatar real, which is about 115 in pounds. I think it's very cheap. So it's all day. I can do anything in the trams, get in metro. So I love it. Let's have a look. Yeah, two things I noted in here which I love it. First one is the fact the train stations, they are very clean, that like spotless. And the second one is the fact that every train and every station has got air conditioner, AC. And the last one is the train arrives in the last station, last stop, there is a cleaners already waiting for the trains. They just jump in, start to clean. That is crazy, absolutely crazy. It's like in Japan. So this is the wait area, which is absolutely beautiful. The train's just here. Also, you need to make sure the people get out of the train first before you get in. It's like in Japan or in the UK, which is very nice. Absolutely awesome.
Doors closing. Sound clear.
Yeah, this is the first class, I think. First class. Yes, I'm sure it is. Very beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Definitely is beautiful. Alright, let's get out of here.
Station is shadow. Change here for the red line and the green line.
So yeah, what did you think about the trains? Oh, the metro, sorry. Like what I said, there is a guy, there is a people in there just to clean the trains, and also there are security, and it's absolutely beautiful, absolutely clean, very well organized, everyone is quiet. I'm very impressed. I love it. It's really good experience. Yeah, well done, Qatar. Well done. Absolutely stunning here and big. Let's get up there. Very clean, very organized. All right, let's go for one around here first, and there we go to the gold shops, and we check that some shops, and after that we go to for some to eat something, to check out some nice restaurants in there. But let's have a look around here first. Yeah, I think Qatar is the same. I think they try to copy Japan in terms of the cleanness. It's so clean. You better can find any bin because no one throw rubbish on the floor. And as you see here, look, everything's so organized, so clean. I'm really impressed about it. How cool is that? I think that's from the old cap. Gaspar. Is it Gaspar, right? Yeah, it's a Gaspar. This is the stadium. It's all in gold. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Of course, it's all built in gold. Nice hotels around here because they stadiums. Beautiful sunset. You got security in them in this trunk, so you got security all the time. Well, he's sleeping back here. So hi again, what is going on here? Is actually a Sainsbury out there. Yes, definitely is a Sainsbury there. Can't believe it. The last thing you want to see is Sainsbury in Doha. Oh my god. So yeah guys, I'm very impressed about Qatar. Absolutely impressed, I love it. I really love this country, it's beautiful, so clean. Yeah, let's go to check the gold shops out there first. I'm sure you guys I really want to see it. And so do I. Let's have a look. Okay, this is the gold market street. This is where all the gold shops are, and the nice hotels as well. This is Doha Old Town. Beautiful. But yeah, this site is just more for carpets, all that sort of thing. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this is the gold shops, but I'm not gonna get any of them because I don't have the money. Some of them you need to show you your wallet or your cards because it's so expensive. So that is not for me, and I'm not a big fan of golds anyway. So let's go. Right, let's get out of here. I don't have the money. I don't have the money to buy, that much gold. Absolutely beautiful, stunning. Yeah, those shops here, they are not too bad in compared to the big shops like the big malls and city center. Some of them you actually have to show your wallet or your bank account, and otherwise they don't even let you in because it's so expensive. Especially the diamonds. So, but obviously it's not my cup of tea anyway. I'm just looking around. So this one is not too bad. It's real gold, but not so expensive like the one in Dubai and at the airport and a place like that. Check this out. This is unbelievable. This is beautiful. Oh my fucking god. This is absolutely stunning. Oh dear. Ooh. Absolutely beautiful. not too sure what's up there, but it's so beautiful up there. Oh, in these shops as well. I'll find out in a second. Look. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Look, this one, this is my favorite. So let's go around here before you go out for dinner. So this is the last shops. Back in the main square here, and I'm going to find a restaurant. Not much really. Which I saw yesterday. I think it is Iran or Iraq. I'm not too sure, but it's so beautiful. I saw the people eat outside with kebab and their skills. It looks absolutely beautiful. That's what I'm going to try today. Let's try to find out where is it. Just design your camera now. It's so beautiful. Yes, and if you go back here, you go to the restaurants out there. Yeah, that's what is the restaurants and shops. Let's find out. The sharp place. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, it's quite busy around here during the night, and they say the restaurant is so beautiful, the lights, and everything else. Right. So yeah, this is the restaurant I was on about. It looks absolutely beautiful, and also it's so busy. You have to wait, for us to have a seat. Find something to let's try the food. This coffee shop here must be really good because everyone is here trying to get drink and coffee. Must be really that was good. Very good experience. Shall we have a try? Shall we have a go? Guys, very nice. How to eat a proper Iran food, and I like stuff as a lot of things. And Jesus Christ, that chili is so spicy. I couldn't handle it. I like spicy food. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, thank you. Actually, you eat this by hand. So let's try. Beautiful. I met with these guys here from Tunisia. Thank you for the hospitality, guys. Thank you. First time trying Iran food. It's beautiful. Thank you.
First time trying this chili.
Yeah, and this chili is actually really spicy. I couldn't handle it. I just met them people there from Tunisia. They are very friendly, very nice. They asked me if I want to sit down with them because there was no table available because the restaurant is so busy. And they say, yeah, why not? So yeah, I was talked to them, and they told me, was telling me about how Iran food is and how hot and spicy it can be, and it was telling me how long they've been living in Doha, that kind of thing. Very, very, very nice people. It was a good experience. Very nice people. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you have subscribed, please hit the button subscribe and help me so I can do more videos, for you guys, more videos and vlogs. And subscribe, share it, and thank you, and see you later. Bye.
Yeah.